I thought I'd see if I can shine up my tires with WeatherTech Tire Gloss. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my Buick Encore and just got it washed. Looks pretty clean. I cleaned myself too. But anyway, what you might be able to see here is that these tires, while clean, are not glossy, and I like them glossy. It kind of finishes off the car and makes it look shiny. So I picked this up. It's brand new, and I have never used this before by WeatherTech. It's their tire gloss. Now, the instructions actually say you can just spray it on the tire, and then if you want more of a matte finish, you can wipe it off with a cloth. But if you want a glossy finish, you can just leave it on there. I want a glossy finish, so I'm just going to spray it on and see if it works. Okay, so here's what I mean. Glossy car, not glossy tires. So let's just go ahead and spray this on here. It's just like a pump spray bottle. Ooh, that is pretty glossy. On those flat edges, I'm getting a reflection. On the little textured edges, it's very shiny. That's pretty impressive. Wow, that's some pretty good stuff, man. I tell you what, I like it shiny. Again, you could wipe it down, but give it a little bit more of a wet look, I think. But now, if I compare that shiny tire to this matte tire, that doesn't look good. Can't leave it like that, so go ahead and spray this on there. It's pretty easy. No aerosol or anything like that, but man, that looks pretty awesome. I really like this. Hey, if you want to pick up this WeatherTech Tire Gloss, I'll put a link to it in the description below. It seems to work. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.